In this video, I'll show you how to couch threads to the surface of your embroidery. I'll be using two 30cm lengths of DMC Moulinet special stranded embroidery thread, an embroidery needle, a piece of cotton fabric, an embroidery hoop, a sharp pair of embroidery scissors, and a fabric pen. Couching uses small straight stitches to hold a thread or group of threads to the surface of your fabric. Often the holding stitches are worked in a finer thread. It works really well for outlines and also when you want to use thread that's too thick, textured or fragile to stitch with. In this example, I'm going to use all 6 strands of Moulinet as the laid thread and 2 strands as the couching thread. You can draw your dots to help you space your stitches evenly. Bring your laid thread up through the fabric where you want your line of couching to begin and lay it on the surface of the fabric. Now bring your couching thread up close to the start but to one side of the laid thread. Make a small stitch over the laid thread to secure it. Avoid bringing the couching thread up and down through the same hole. Continue making small couching stitches along the length of the laid thread. Once you've reached the end of the row, take both threads back down through the fabric. Now you've completed your row of couched stitch.